I am Albert Lawrence El Chico of BSECE 3A1 and this is my output video for ECE 36 laboratory activity number 9 demonstrating the RGB LED activity. For procedure number 2, it will start from green, 6 for aquamarine, 0 for rose, 0 again for rose, and 3 for blue, and it will end with red. It will go from the start green and then aquamarine, rose, and then blue. For procedure number 3, it will start from aquamarine for number 6, rose for 0, rose again for 0, and it will end with blue for number 3. It will go back to aquamarine for number 6. Thank you for watching.